What if you are asked to insert the 4 arithmetic means between -4 and 6? Paano nyo kaya yan gagawin? Hi guys! Welcome back sa Love Math TV, kung saan ang math ay mas pinadadali at mas minamahal. For today's video, ang topic pa rin natin ay tungkol sa arithmetic means. Okay? Let's try to solve this problem. Insert 4 arithmetic means between -4 and 6. Anong mapapansin nyo sa given natin? Yung isa negative, di ba? Pero wag matakot, wag kabahan, at wag isipin na mahirap na agad itong problem na to. Sige, sundan lang natin yung procedure na dapat natin gawin para ma-solve. Okay, so we have here -4. Ilan daw yung i-insert na arithmetic means? 4. So, ilang blanks ang kailangan natin? Kailangan natin ng 4. So, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4. And then, yung last term is 6. Okay? Now, we are going to apply the formula a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus the quantity of n minus 1d. O, laging dapat ito ay tanda, ha? Para hindi kayo mahirapan. Okay? Let's try to identify our n. O, ilan bang terms meron tayo? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, we have 6 as our n. Ano ang a sub 1 natin? Ano ang first term natin? We have, that's correct, that's -4. And our a sub n or our last term or our a sub 6 is what? Ito, yung huling term natin, which is 6. And then yung d, yan yung hahanapin natin. Okay? Now, let's substitute. So, we have here a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus the quantity of n minus 1 d. Ano ang a sub n natin? We have 6. Is equal to our a sub 1, which is equal to, that's correct, -4. Plus, ano daw ang n natin? 6. Diba? Minus 1 times d. Okay? And then, let's have 6 minus 1. Yung nasa parenthesis muna. So, we copy 6 is equal to -4 plus, what is 6 minus 1? That's a 5, diba? Times d, you're going to have 5d. Ayusin natin. 5d. Okay. Now, kailangan ma-isolate si 5d at mawala sa tabi niya si -4. Paano ang gagawin natin? O, yung easiest method na ha, we transpose. Pero tandaan natin na kapag nagta-transpose tayo, kung negative siya, pag na-transpose natin siya, magiging positive na. At kung positive na, pag tinranspose natin, magiging negative. Okay? In this case, dahil -4 to, pag lumipat siya, magiging correct, positive na siya. So, you have 6 plus 4 is equal to, maiiwan na lang si 5d. Okay? Now, what is 6 plus 4? Correct, that's 10. Is equal to 5d. Eh, ang kailangan lang natin, d lang, di ba? Now, to eliminate 5, we have to divide both sides by 5. Okay, 5 divided by 5 is 1, so d na lang siya. And then 5. 10 divided by 5 is correct, 2. So, our d now is equal to 2. Ito ngayon yung i-add natin dito para makuha natin yung 4 na arithmetic means. Okay, let's start. -4 plus 2, ilan? I-add ba? Hindi, di ba? Kasi magkaiba yung signs. So, i-minus natin, 4 minus 2, 2. Sinong mas mataas? Si 4 or si 2? Si 4. Kaya gamitin natin yung sign niya, -2. Okay? So, we have here -2. -2 plus 2, i-add ba? Hindi, di ba? Kasi magkaiba yung signs nila. So, 2 minus 2 is 0. So, 0 to. Then, 0 plus 2 is 2. And then, 2 plus 2 is 4. And 4 plus 2 is 6. Which means we are correct. So, the arithmetic means are -2, 0, 2, and 4. Okay? Now, you try. What if you are given this one? Insert 5 arithmetic means between -8 and 16. Ano kaya yung mga arithmetic means nito? Okay? Now, kung naintindihan ng video na ito at natutunan kung paano ba natin gagawin o isosolve yung ganitong klaseng mga problems, please i-comment yan sa ating comment section, ha? And please mga anak, like and share videos para marami pang matuto sa math. And don't forget to follow for more math videos. Bye!